Yes, I'm here to sign up for the yearly
Ramp?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on into the white building.
All right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's do a little fishing today, guys. Commodore Yacht Club, guys. Alright, guys, we're down here at Commodore Yacht Club. Renewed my yearly boat fee, rent fee over here. So anyway, in case y'all wondering, make a short video about this. It's $220 per year. Unlimited access. Gives you gates locked all the time. There's the parking area and double ramp, and this is actually locked also, and there's a key to undo the thing so you can put your boat in. Yep, so here we are. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Be dropping in out of here because I like to fish during the week, like break of dawns type of stuff when during the summer. So for security reasons, you know, I'm like, yeah, I might as well go ahead and get my membership back here. So that's what I did. So Commodore Yacht Club is off of River Road out in West Nashville, and it's pretty close to the Walmart. I think that's Walmart and Home Depot over there. As soon as you turn on River Road, it's about 2 miles up on the right hand side. So yeah, if y'all need a nice secure place to put your boat in, if you're always fishing by yourself, come on down here and give her a shot.